What happened to the birds now? I think they have feathers. The mother is not here, so I'm taking the advantage to show you our bird, our baby chicks. I'm excited to see them flying. I hope that you can see them, guys. I can't see straight with my own eyes. It's so high, but I have my phone with me. I hope that you can see them, what they are doing. The mother bird is always scared when I climb up here. But now that they're gone, they're looking food for their chicks. So I'm here taking a video for you. But anyway, I hope that you enjoy them. I wanna kiss them, I wanna hold them, but I can't. I heard the tiny tweets of them. I should go before the mother comes.